I'm having an Oreo ice cream, and it actually tastes really, really good. What I'm saying, wow, it's my last day in Ahoy, and it was really good here. You see a different level of peace and tranquility. You know, we are among nature, as you can see. Banana leaves, banana tree and all of that, fruit trees and all of that. But what I really admire was last night, was Friday night. The kids out in the streets are playing badminton, soccer, and nobody not trouble them till like after 10 they're about. Nobody not trouble them. They just enjoy them life, enjoy them youthfulness, and nobody not trouble them. And I wish Jamaica was like that, where families could just gather together on the roadside, talk, enjoy, taking some cool natural fresh air without being harassed. That's some peace what Jamaica not have. I love Jamaica, but when you're traveling, you get to see some places, some people violence did it. But sometimes there's some amount of peace. In Jamaica, it's hard to find that, and that is annoying. That is annoying about going back home. Sorry. You bung some man and you have to know what a man going to do. When you bounce him, here you bounce him, you say sorry. Even though you don't understand me, you say sorry in English, but you know, you realize I'm apologetic. Jamaica did. Wow, tough. But anyways, I love this here. It was fun. I wish I spent more time here. If you're going to make shoes and clothes, spend an extra day. Take an extra. If you budget for 3 days, put 4 days, because you're going to need some time. The shoes look lovely. My mom love her shoes. I'm doing a shoes for my brother because it's a dad now, so I'm getting my dad sandals, an official dad sandals. That's a joke right there. My mom love her shoes. I love mine. It's cute, it's well made, but I think the colors, I could have changed the colors a little. Here, cock a crow. Anyways, I check my basket.